How to fix Cash App tag not showing up. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix Cash App tag not showing up. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. You will land on the homepage of the app. Next, tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your Cash App account. In this section, there are options that you can use to manage and make changes to the settings of the app. From those settings, make sure you scroll through them. Continue scrolling until you reach this section here. Under the section, there are various other options. From them, make sure you go to the bottommost option named Support. Tap on it. The page will then start loading just like you can see here. Finally, this other page appears where you will see sections related to the support area. Here are options that you can use to find solutions to issues you face on the app. From them, tap this one here named Account and Settings. This takes you to the Account and Settings page where there are various options and sections that you can use to manage and find solutions to issues related to your account. Next, scroll through these options that are here and then tap this option here named Cash Tag. You will then land on this other page here where you will see options related to Cash Tag. From the options, tap this one here named Cash Tag Unavailable. You will then see this other page where there is some information on missing cash tags. You can read it to get a better understanding. Finally, come to the bottom of the screen and then tap this option here named Chat. It is found under the Contact Us section. Wait for the page to finish loading. This feedback box appears where you are supposed to type a short message asking the support team to fix the issue you are facing. Make sure you explain to them clearly just like you can see here. You can also type what I have typed here. Hi dear Cash App support team. My cash tag is unavailable on my profile. Kindly help fix this issue for me. Thanks. After that, send them the message and give them time. They will respond to you with a solution. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you were facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. That is how to fix Cash App tag not showing up.